Good evening and welcome to the Whiskey Lovers Society with me, Gert Retief, and tonight I found something that I've been looking forward to trying in quite some time. Now, not so long ago, I think about 2 weeks ago, one of my subscribers asked me about this distillery. Have you tried it? I said it is not possible for me to get any of this whiskey in here in Belgium. Looked all over the place, couldn't find it, and about a couple of days later I went online in Holland and I found a bottle, and this is it. As you've seen from the thumbnail, Ardnagh. This is the Islay single malt Scotch whiskey, inaugural release, 5 years old. The founder, Stuart Lane, no artificial coloring, non-chill filtered, and if I go to the back of the box, bottled at a nice 50% ABV. Cost-wise, I think I paid about 78 euros for this bottle. Bloody expensive in my opinion, but yeah, that is prices what you pay nowadays. And of course, if you want to find out more information, they have a nice QR code. So pause and you can just click on the little QR code and find more information. I like that idea. I think it is, well, I do think they have a lot of space on this box. They might give us a lot more information. But they give us all the nice information, and of course for the connoisseurs or the snobs that want more information, click the QR code and get that information. I'm not going to read anything that's on the box. Sometimes they give a little bit too much information with regards to the nosing and tasting. So I try to skip that. I don't want to reflect their nosing and tasting notes. I want to give you my nosing and tasting notes. If I can get this bloody box open, it's almost like it's got a child lock on it. So this is the bottle, natural color for 5-year-old, quite a decent color in it. On the bottle itself, limited edition. Yeah, I'm not so sure about the limited edition. From what I understood, correct me if I'm wrong, I think I saw on Whiskey Base they are talking about 70,000 bottles. So that means there's a hell of a lot of bottles still out there if I can still pick it up. Yeah, and of course a age statement of 5 years. They do tell us a little bit on the maturation. It's a combination of ex-bourbon, ex-Oloroso sherry cask. So quite looking forward to giving this a nosing and tasting. I must admit I do like the shape of the bottle. It gives you a nice little grip on it. Makes it easier to give this one a pour. Now if I can find the opening tab on this one, we will give it a nosing and tasting. Now bear in mind, I'm not a huge fan sometimes of the smoky whiskey. Sometimes it's a little bit too much for me. Sometimes it doesn't have the nice flavor that I am used to. But if you do add a little bit of sherry to it, for me it makes it much easier to drink, and I do like the nose and the flavors with that mixture between the sherry and of course the smoke. So yeah, natural color, a little golden light copper color. I'm not sure if there's a lot of viscosity on this one. Yeah, maybe a little bit of a viscosity, a little bit of a stickiness to the glass. So on the nose, cheers. Oh my word. This is lovely. Now I know that I might be very late to doing a review on this one. I think all of the channels have already done it, and I can understand why so many people love this one. The smoke is there. Not sure the parts per million on the phenols, but it is light, maybe 20 parts per million. Well, for me anyway, but what comes out is that fruity flavors from that Oloroso sherry. It's lovely, light, sweet. That peat is just at the perfect level for me. It reminds me a little bit more of a savory smoke, so definitely not that creosote type of smoke, that little bit of an iodine hospital TCP. It is in that direction, but more gravitating towards that little bit of a bonfire smoke somewhere in the distance. Wow, it is lovely. There's a dried fruit component. It feels like every time that I go back, it's a little bit sweeter on the nose, less smoke on the nose, a little peach, dried peach note. Oh my word, it is lovely on the nose. I'm so glad. Sometimes when you buy a bottle, especially if you review whiskey, sometimes you have to buy a bottle that you might not consider otherwise. You drop the money and you think to yourself, are you really going to spend that money on something that you haven't tried before? In this case, I'm quite happy with this purchase. That 50% is definitely there. It might not feel that way. There's a little minty effect of that high alcohol that just feels like it's a mint in it. A little green note. And if you do put your nose in a little bit too deep, it does take your breath away. And it causes a little bit of a cough reaction. Good thing I can delete all of that little cough scenes in between. So definitely on the nose for me, fantastic. On the taste, cheers. Wow. I think for me, this is one of the nicest peated whiskies that I've tried in quite a long time. If I think about the Lefroy, the PX Lefroy, I love that one. But this one for me is so much better. I think everything is a little bit more toned down. The sweetness is at the perfect level. The peat is at a perfect level. That dried fruit shines through. A little raisiny note, a little bit of a date note. Let me just try again. Now I get on the nose, a hint of an orange, almost like an orange peel oil. That 50% does not drink like 50%, it drinks like 40-43%. So quite a dangerous one. 5 years old. There's a hint of oak, but really right at the back there's a little oakiness that comes through, just to tone down that little sweetness a little bit. Wow, this is really a fantastic whiskey. And if you haven't tried it, I think you give it a go. Don't be scared dropping that 80, 70, 80 euros. Drop it. If you're a peat fan, if you're a fan of nice sweet whiskies, I think this is going to be a winner. One more try. It almost feels like you want to chew it. It is not an oily one. It's quite dry actually. I think also connection with that Oloroso sherry. There's a dryness, but the aftertaste, the finish, the whole mouth is covered with sweet, smoky deliciousness. Wow, definitely I'm glad I bought this one. This is a whiskey that I will be savoring over the next couple of months. Definitely did not waste my money. So thank you very much for watching on this Ardnahoe, my first try. Fantastic whiskey. So see you next time. Cheers.